Lots of bolts, as you guys can see. First things first, we have to go to that rock.
Oh man, it won't budge.
Violence is not the answer.
Can you move this rock, sir?
I am able.
And?
Patience, young one. For the rock to move, the forces of the universe must align.
So, can we make these forces align a little faster?
Ah, yes. The holistic resonance of moonstones may yet guide these wayward forces.
So we need to collect moonstones, much like the crystals from the desert. We need to collect 9, and after that we need even to collect even more. Maybe I should have refilled my ammo. I'm gonna get myself killed. Well, at least I got 2 before dying. Not dead yet. Damn it. Finally. Damn it. Fuck. Still need 3 more. I don't know why I'm dying so many times here. It's even annoying. Fuck you. These guys are annoying. Also, my weapons don't do that much of damage. Anyways, I have 9 moonstones that are required for this part.
Oh, yes. Your arrival with the moonstones is most fortuitous, for it is in this very moment that I am able to move the rock.
Gee, what a coincidence.
Thank you, sir. That was most helpful.
Your gratitude is comforting, child. I have also found a piece of something called a hypnomatic. You may have it in exchange for more moonstones.
Wait, I thought you had no need for material possessions.
Please, do not lay your burdens upon me now. I am weary from lifting the rock, and I must rest.
16 more then. But we can't actually get 16 right now. We need to open the path to the upper part of the level, so that we can access more of them. I used to die a lot in this level. Damn it, so many of them. What? Finally. And this here will grant us access to the upper level. See? And here's an armor vendor that actually has the last armor in the game. And I upgraded my armor. I upgraded from the first armor, that's the one we have right now, to the last one. Big jump, I know, but so now for 16 more moonstones. Oh, what? I died, wasn't I full health? Anyways, I'm going to buy the shield. Let me see a weapon that I can actually take off. Barely use the stars. Oh wait, this is no weapon I want to use. to upgrade the weapon. How many is it? 16, right? So let's hope that I can actually get 12 more before dying. There's a platinum bolt over there. Might as well get it. What? That one still, I didn't get it. Almost there. Six. Damn it, let me... Can't I go up here? Damn it. Damn it, so many Yetis. I already have 16, but I want to get a few more so that I can get at least 2000 bolts, because I think the hypnomatic costs 10,000 to assemble. Damn, look at those monsters. So many. And I don't even have ammo. This is amazing. Well, I'm going to commit suicide now. That should be enough.
Hello? We've got more moonstones.
No, you have not.
What?
Existence is a lie. Sensations are illusions. Possessions are merely visions.
All right, I've got an illusion of some moonstones. I'll trade it for a vision of that hypnomatic part.
You have learned much, young one. Now bring me more moonstones, and riches shall be your reward.
Oh, nice. That was a good amount. Now we need to return to that other planet to assemble. We need to go to Damosel to assemble those pieces, and we'll go there quickly and return to this planet. This shouldn't take long. I'm recording for almost 2 hours and a half. This is the biggest session I've done until now. I actually want to finish the game in this session because I want to start recording Ratchet and Clank 3 and finish that game before the Deadlocked is released. Or Gladiator. I usually say Gladiator, but I'm saying Deadlocked because it's the American name.
Use it wisely! Do not even think about it.
To use the hypnatic, target a receiver bot and press circle to take control of the robot.
So this is basically what the hypnatic does. Lets you control these robots for a limited time. Yeah, 12 seconds left. Also, if we touch the water, we die instantly. Time for it to return to Grellman. It takes a lot of this ride. Grellman, I don't know. I don't even read the name properly. I always loved Ratchet and Clank's loading screens. I don't know why. And so here we are with our hypnatic assembled. I don't think I'll need the barrier for this part. Now I need to equip the hypnatic.
This receiver bot has a blaster attack. Press circle to shoot enemies. To exit the robot, press triangle.
Oh, damn it! So many bullets flying off. And here it is. Damn it. one moment I begin to control it, and they instantly know that it's being controlled. Shouldn't they only notice after I start attacking them? No. Here we are. Angela's house. Sorry about that. Oh, it leveled up. Great. Finally. I love this. Damn it. See, this is why I love this evolution. This upgrade. I don't know why I say evolution so many times.
Hey, nice digs.
Yeah, it's a little remnant from my previous life.
You were reincarnated?
No, my Megacorp days. They've got a very generous bonus package.
Right. So now that you've got your ID badge, how do we take out the protopet?
Watch this.
Mommy, where do protopets come from?
Why, they come from Megacorp, dear.
That's right, Mrs. Robot. All of the protopets in the galaxy come from right here, in our factory. Your little friend is lovingly extracted from the original protopet. Each protopet is given a name and birth certificate that is unique. Our training system helps mold your pet into a wonderful friend that you'll cherish forever. So the next time your child asks,
Mommy, where do protopets come from?
you can answer with confidence. They come from Megacorp.
That factory is using the original protopet to produce all the others.
Exactly. If we can take out the original protopet, that'll shut him down permanently.
20% off a complete service at Groovy Lube?
Oops. Wrong one. This will deactivate the door to the protopet duplication area. I'll meet you there.
Sure you want to split up?
Well, Megacorp's orbital defenses are nasty. With 2 ships, there's a good chance at least one of us will get through.
Good thinking. Just be careful.
Right.
Failed. Time to get a ride to our ship. We can actually dig Veritanium here. Out of the way. Time for our final planet on our journey.